Alrighty, I have my voice back. I'm starting to feel better. I'm just full of mucus, so I'm finally in the recovery stage. Can't wait to get into the park and do an in-park update, even though there's nothing yet. Don't worry, I've been having people check. But yeah, I want to start off the video by asking you guys if you could pick one attraction at Canada's Wonderland to remove next. Only one, not two, not a set, just one. One attraction to remove at Canada's Wonderland next, what would you pick? Comment down below. But to start it off, Moosehorn Falls in the morning yesterday. Almost done. Had one more slide piece to go right there to be installed, and then it is complete outside of the elevator belt and plumbing. The electrical has already been sent up to the tower. The roof on the slide obviously hasn't been installed yet either. So there's still quite a bit of work to do. If I had to make a wild guess, they are trying to get this thing open for that last weekend in June. I don't know how obtainable that is, but we'll have to wait and see. They are working really hard now. A lot of work is getting done each day. So again, like right here at the end of the day, the slide is now complete outside of plumbing and the elevator. The elevator will go in literally tomorrow, or today, sorry, as this video gets released. The support column's already in, ready to install those elevator pieces. And there's one more section of elevator in the parking lot as well that they'll need to bring in. But yeah, outside of that, it's looking good. Again, I really do like the colors. I know not everyone's a fan of the colors, but I like the colors. And the concrete company just has the pathways to do. So I'm not quite sure with them being done the concrete. Are they going to start the 2025 coaster this week? Or are they going to do the pathways and then start the 2025 coaster? So Wonderland has called in that surveying company 3 times now to remark those footings. So they have to be starting soon. I can't see them calling them back a 4th time to mark those footings for construction to start. So we'll have to wait and see. Construction should be starting any day now, though. Knock on wood. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.